Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are diving into the fascinating differences between British and American English. There is a big difference between these two accents, from spelling and vocabulary to grammar and accents. We'll explore how these two varieties of English differ. There are four main differences between these two varieties of English, like British and American English. You might notice that spell checkers often underline words in red when using British spellings on American system or American spellings on British system. Okay? This happens because spell checkers are set to different English conventions, highlighting the differences between British and American spellings. Let's start and see the different examples. Here are 10 examples where British and American English spell the same words differently. These are color and color. You can see that there is a bit difference between these spellings. And center, center. Favor, favor. Realize, realize. Theater. In American, theater. Organization, organization. Program, program. Check, check. Mold, mold. Honor, honor. There are also some other words, and if you know some words, you can write in comment sections. Second is the vocabulary difference. Let's check out some vocabulary differences. Here are 10 words or 10 examples that are different in British and American English. The vocabulary means that if we refer to one thing, in American we say it and we call it by another name, and in British English we call it by another name, but the thing is same. There is no difference between meanings, but in words they are different, like lift or elevator, biscuit, and in American English we say it cookie. In British English we say flat, and in American English we say apartment. In British English we say holiday, and in American English we say vacation. In British English we say boot, and in American English we say trunk. In British English we say rubber, and in American English we say eraser. In British English we say rubbish, but in American English we say garbage. Next is nappy or diaper, then lorry and truck. Then is queue versus in American English we say it line. Grammar can also vary between British and American English, and here's how they differ. Let's have a look at a sentence. In British English we say I have just eaten, and in American I just ate. In British English, the present perfect tense is used to describe actions that have recently happened or are still relevant. And in American English, we often use the simple past tense instead. Second is a difference in the collective noun. In British, we say the team are winning, and in American, we say the team is winning. British English treats collective noun as plurals, and whereas American English treats them as singular. Third difference is in the prepositions. Let's have a look at the sentence. I am at the weekend, and in American English I am on the weekend. British English uses at for certain time expressions, while American English uses on. Third difference is the past simple versus present perfect. In British English we say I have lost my keys, and in American I lost my keys. British English often uses the present perfect tense for actions that have relevance to the present moment, whereas American English uses the simple past. And next is a difference in the use of have got. In British English we say I have got a new phone, and in American English we say I have a new phone. Because British English commonly uses have got to indicate possession, while American English simply uses have. And the next is at versus in for places. In British, I live at London, and in American, I live in London. British English often uses at for specific locations, while American English uses in for the locations. Next is the use of shall. In British, shall we go? And in American, should we go? Shall is more commonly used in British English for suggestions and offers, while American English uses should. Next is the difference between amongst versus among. He was amongst friends, but in American English we say he was among friends. Amongst is more common in British English, while among is preferred in American English. Next, the difference in got versus gotten. First form of this verb is get, then got, and versus gotten. But in let's have a look at the sentence like British I have got the answers and American English I have gotten the answers. British English uses got for past participles or third form of verb of get, while American English uses gotten. Next, the difference between then versus from. In British English, it is different from what I expected, but in American, it's different than what I expected. British English uses from after different, while American English often uses then. And these were the 10 differences between American and British English in grammar. These are the 10 main differences between American and in British grammar, and these were the most interesting, I think so. The last difference is in British and American English is the accent difference, and here are some examples of how British and American English pronunciation differ. Here is the first word, and British English speakers pronounce it like water, water, and in American English they pronounce it water, water. R is mostly not pronounced in British English. British English pronounce this word as tomato and tomato, and in American English they say like tomato, tomato. Next is garage. In British English they say garage, garage, and in American English they say garage, garage. Next word in the British English speakers pronounce this word as schedule, schedule, and in American English they pronounce like schedule, schedule. Next word, the British speakers say herb, H is pronounced, but in American English they say like herb, H is silent, herb. Next word, the British speakers pronounce like aluminium, aluminium, and in American English they say aluminum, aluminum. British English speakers pronounce this word as zebra, zebra, and in American English they say like zebra, zebra. Next word, British speakers pronounce this as basil, basil, and in American English they say basil, basil. British speakers pronounce this word as leisure, leisure, and in American English they say like leisure, leisure. Next word, British speakers pronounce like niche, niche, and in American English they pronounce this word as niche, niche. And that's it. These were the 4 main differences between British and American English, and understanding these differences can make your English learning experience more interesting and also effective. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the task guide for more insights into English language. Thanks for watching.